Your value proposition, by definition, should tell people what you do, why they should do business with you rather than your competitors, and how they benefit. Yet many of the most self-aware business development or sales managers I've met are usually willing to admit they get lost in their own sauce, which means they're not always certain if their value proposition is compelling or truly does appeal to the buyer's benefits. In this episode, I'm going to challenge you to take inventory to see if your value proposition, individually or with the products or services you offer, communicates clear and differentiating value to the world around you. Welcome to Build Smart Connections. Whether transactions are B2C, which is business to consumer, B2B, business to business, or you selling yourself individually, value can have many different meanings. For example, some customers or clients may see value as your ability to help optimize their efficiency through saving time, improve the performance of their systems, processes, or people, save or make them money, provide peace of mind or minimize risk because you or your service are consistent and reliable, enhance status with their employees or clients, or improve their health, safety, or well-being. You know, that list could go a lot deeper. Just know this. Value depends on how the prospective buyer defines value, not you. It's how the prospective buyer defines it. And that's why when it comes to value propositions, the two biggest mistakes are, one, even experienced and smart business people make assumptions on what they think value is. They don't dig deep enough to determine specificity, again, from the buyer's perspective. And number two, they think their strengths are benefits, when in fact, they are just features. Let's make this real simple. Let's call your features inputs. That's what you do and what you offer. Let's call your benefits outputs. It's what the client or prospective buyer gets from doing business with you that improves their condition. For example, companies don't care that my firm, Victory Consulting, offers presentation skills training. That's an input. What they do care about are having more influential communicators who inspire company performance and win client business. That's an output realized. There's also nothing distinctive about having team building or leadership programs. Yet another input. What they will pay for, because they do care about, is a more trusting, open culture, smarter decision making, and higher morale. Another output realized. What we do, few people care about. How prospects and clients perceive value is where their return on investment lies. The key is to dig deep, ask smart questions, and never assume. And this is what will help you engage in a trusted, aligned partnership, which of and in itself is a huge differentiator. A few weeks ago, my 14-year-old came up to me and he said, "Dad, a kid at school asked me what you do." And I said, "Well, I know he speaks, but how would you explain it, Dad?" And I said, "Well, we have a firm that helps companies get better results through how their leaders inspire their employees and how they service their customers." And I thought I nailed it. And when I looked back at my boy, here's what I saw. What's that, Dad? Yeah, cool. Okay, so not all of our businesses have the most sexy value proposition. But you know what? As long as it connects with your target audience, you're on the right path. Again, the key is to focus on outputs. For every positive attribute you have, ask yourself from the buyer's perspective, so what? What's in it for me? Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel over there. If you'd like to learn more about who I am and what I do, you can always visit joetakish.com. And of course, we love feedback. If you have any suggestions on how these could be better, or if you have any topics you'd like me to speak on, please leave your feedback below.
Live it, love it, do it, profit.